Hello, this is Mike PHP. Today I'm going to show you our new module, which is M Slideshow. So here's our new module, M Slideshow. This M Slideshow has many functionalities like pause on hover, disable drag or not, link below, YouTube video, thumbnail, background, and thumbnail position. You can also connect to master's website and can control article limit. So I'll demo this to you. First is our article limit. For example, you just want to have two articles, so let's take this one and let's refresh. So there's two articles only shows on the slideshow. So let's put this back to 5, and we also have article link, which is here on the bottom. So if you want like any article link, just copy the link and paste it below. Then save. So let's try. Click it and it will go to the link where you want to paste it or where you want to go. So it also has autoplay interval. So this is the interval of the slides. Let's try to put this 20 and refresh. So we can see the difference. The interval is 20 milliseconds. So let's put this back to 4000. 4000 is the default. And we also have pause on hover. So when we hover it, then it will pause, right? So save this one to enable. So it will not continue the slideshow if the mouse is on the top of the image. So this is the function of pause on hover. So disable drag or not. This is for the thumbnail. So let's try to disable it. Let's try to, so we can drag it, right? So here we disable it now. Then let's try to drag it. So we cannot drag it now. So here is the thumbnail background color. We can choose any color what we want. So here we'll try like blue, then save it. Oh, I forgot to click. When you choose a color, click this one so that it will update and save. So the background of the thumbnail is changed. Thumbnail position. You can choose between right or bottom or foot. So let's try this foot. the thumbnail is transferred on the bottom. It depends on you if you want right or bottom. Connect to master. When we say connect to master, it's the master side. If you want to connect to master, it will get the articles from the master side. Let's try to connect this. So for example, this is our master side, and we connect this to yes. It will load different articles. It's from the master, so host 2, and it has different articles. It also needs to be activated by the master from the master side. So here, let's try to disable your client side. Unpublish. So it cannot get the master side. If the master publish your site, the client site, then you can get the master site. Another example or another feature of the mSlideshow is that you can put YouTube link. So let's try to get some YouTube video. Oh. So this one, let's try. And let's go to our article. Here, anywhere you want to paste it, just click insert link or insert edit link and click OK. So save it. It's on our first article. So when we refresh it, it loads first the YouTube video. And that's all. Thank you.